Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to show you this portfolio website design, complete portfolio using not a single line of code. Yes, you heard it right. No single line of code I have used to create this whole website. Okay, and you might think how I created that and how I do that. Okay, I will just explain step by step how I do that. And before that, you can see I have just opened in localhost. So yeah, I have the full source code file and you can also download that file. Not only that, you can share the link also that I have provided in description if you want to check this by yourself. Okay, and when you just come here, you can check the hover effect and everything I have created using AI, and I will just explain you step by step how you can do the same. Okay, so watch the full video, and let's start this video without any delay. For creating that portfolio website, what we have to do is to come to this website that I have already provided the link in description. Okay, so after that, when you visit that website, when you have to just click on continue with Google and select your email ID. Okay, after that it asks for some permissions, then allow it. Okay, and then I think you will redirect to this page, not that. Okay, and then after that click on view dashboard and you will redirect to the same page again. Now what you will get here is that when you click on component, you can see there are many component for hero section. Not only that, you can click on features for getting features components. You get here CTA pricing, like whatever you want, you can just come here and get it. Okay, and there are some free and there are some premium also. I will explain everything here. Okay, so guys, some are free components and some are premium component, and you can see they are much likely to be used in our used in websites. Okay, so for that, if you want that premium features, for that come to this subscription page, and what you have to do is to click on this lifetime subscription. Click on this and get the subscription, and if you want any discount, then use my code, that is pro 20. Okay, and you will get an exclusive discount on this lifetime access. Okay, and yeah, I already taken that premium plan, so that's why. And what you will get to create unlimited projects and pages. And not only that, you will also able to create use 500 AI prompts to change your layout and everything. And all the premium templates with the premium components will be in your hand, so there is no need to think and anything. Watch full video and you will get to know everything about this. So I will prefer you to buy this lifetime access, and it will help you a lot in your upcoming journey. Okay, so yeah, click on this, and $49 is not too much expensive, so just click and take it. And not only that, if you use my pro 20 discount coupon, you will get a lesser amount to be paid. Okay, so go and use my coupon there. Now what we have to do to come to this template, and there are some free template as well as some paid template that is premium. Okay, so we will create a portfolio, so we will use this template. As you can see, now click here, use template, and add a name. I am going to write procoder 09 and website. Okay, and not only that, you can also uh, download this source code file. Okay, whatever you want, and you can also make changes. So from here you can see here page home, and when you click here you can see add a page, so you can add multiple pages you want. Okay, now we don't want, we just have to make changes to this page, where you can see we have already get this much design already and some hover effect also. Whatever you want you can check. Okay, now move to first. I will just change this color. So come here and click on AI edit, and what I will tell that change change the background color of get in touch button to wallet, and also the text to download CV. Okay, Now hit enter, and what you will get is that you can see now the color changes to violet and get in touch changes to download CV. And if you don't want, you can undo it, but if you want, you can send prompt and then close it. I can see it changes. Now here I have to change this to SAR, so I'll just click here edit code. Now you can see I can edit code as well, and this is amazing thing that we have to do, because we can't depend on AI always, because we have to change according to us. So what I will do, I will write name here, it is, click outside, and if it will update again, it will update automatically. Now here instead of this product design, I want to change it in the um, website. Okay, so what I will type that change the text, that is product design, into website. Okay, so hit enter, and you can see product design changes to website, close prompt. Now I want some animation, and what I will type that in hero section I create a website, I want a different RGB gradient animation from right to left in website test only. Now I hit enter, and you can see now the website color changes to RGB animation. So I want this one, so I will just close it. Now it's look best. Now move to here, and I want the instead of this lorem ipsum, I want to change this text. So I will type instead of this lorem ipsum, write actual text. Okay, enter, and it will changes the text. As you can see, it is look better than before. Now what I will do is that instead of this hero section image, I will replace with that about us section image. Okay, so let's start. So now what we will do is that just replace the src of about us image to the hero section image. Okay, so let's do it. So as you can see, now it's look better than before. Now when I scroll, the navbar also scrolls. Okay, so I want to fix this navbar at top side. Okay, so what I will do, just select this navbar, click on AI edit, and type this prompt that fix the navbar at top side, so that when you scroll down it will always on top. Click send prompt. So now as you can see, when I scroll below, and now the navbar is fixed at top side, which look better. Okay, now the header and the hero section is completed, and now we can move to this my expertise section. Here what I will do is that click on my expertise and type align the heading in center, and then click OK, and yeah, it is in the center. So now the heading is in center, and we move to this card section. And what I first want is to center the image. So I will type I want the image in center, hit enter, and now it's in the center. And now we will just bold the headlines. Okay, yeah, everything good. So instead of this lorem ipsum, I want the actual text. Now you can see everything good. Okay, now let's remove the background color and make it transparent so that it looks good, better than this one. So it's look fine, and now let's move to add a hover effect on these cards. So what I want is to, when I hover, it will move upward a little bit so that it create a 3D effect. It's look amazing. Now let's move to the another section. Now what I want is to move the about us section below the hero section. Okay, so just click on it and select move row up. So what it will automatically move the section to upward direction. Now I don't want this section, so what I will do is to click on this and remove this section. Okay, now it's look fine. Now let's move to the another section. So this time, instead of using AI, we will use code and change this align left to align center, and yeah, it's working fine. Now let's move to another section, that is contact me. And here I like this design, so I will not make any changes. So now instead of this lorem ipsum, I want the actual text because I don't like this lorem ipsum to be on my website. So let's type and change it. Now you can see it's look amazing, and now let's move to the another section. Now the footer looks good. Okay, so we will not make any changes. Now let's add a component. So just click here and let's choose any component from here. So let's check a newsletter, and no, nothing. Let's check in CTA. Okay, so yeah, this one looks fine. Just click here and add this component in my website. So yeah, now you can see this adds in my website. Now let's move up, and yeah, one more time. So I want above the contact space, so let's move up again. Now it's placed perfectly where I wanted. Now I will use this section as a, if someone wants to collaborate with me, they can. So I will change the heading like I want to collaborate with me, and then I will change the description as well as the text inside the that card according to the heading, which looks kind of amazing. Now everything finished and we have completed our website. Yeah, one more thing we left is that our logo. So let's complete this one also. For that, come to this icon and click on it, and now we have to upload our image on the server. So just click on it and select your image, and now after selecting, click on open. Now the image we have selected is completely uploaded on the server. Now we can view image, copy the URL or delete the image. So just copy the URL and go back, and now select the website logo and click on edit code. Now let's check the src link and replace with our own link. Okay, so now select it and replace. Now you can see our image is successfully placed. Now let's check the responsiveness, and when I click on tablet, as you can see, the elements are automatically aligned perfectly with the responsiveness. And you can also check in mobile version. Just click here and you can see in mobile version it's also look amazing in mobile also. Now let's check the hamburger menu, is it working or not. So yeah, it's working completely. And now let's move to the desktop, and now our website is successfully completed and everything we have changed. Now what we will do is to click on this share button and copy the URL, and I will provide this URL in the description, so you can easily just go and check this website that I have created in just minutes without any code. Now let's move to download the file. For that, click on this download icon to download the file, and it will take just a minute. And now you can see it start downloading, and I will also show you the proof that yeah, is it working or not and everything. So now let's open the zip file and click on this index.html file. So we will open this in a browser and check if this website is really look amazing or not. Yeah, you can see this same website that we have created there is already placed here. And let's check the responsiveness also. So just come into inspect, and now you can see the responsiveness is amazing, and the whole code is in the HTML and Tailwind CSS. Okay, so I like this very much, and I will use this website in the future. So I will prefer you to also use this website because it's amazing. And if you have any idea and want to create but you don't know anything about coding, so you can use this website. Okay, so I will provide the link and everything in the description, so go and check it out.